From digging deep foundations to building tall skyscrapers, construction vehicles make it all possible. In this video, let's explore every type of construction machine and see how each one plays a unique role in civil projects.
Aster buds.
Earthmoving and digging. Crawler excavator. Tracked digger for heavy-duty excavation. Wheeled excavator. Road-friendly excavator for urban projects. Mini excavator. Compact digger for small, confined sites. Long reach excavator. Excavator with extended arm for rivers and demolition. Dragline excavator. Large-scale deep digging for mining and dredging. Clamshell excavator. Excavator with clamshell bucket for vertical digging. Backhoe loader. Loader plus rear digger arm, multipurpose vehicle. Crawler loader. Tracked loader combining power and stability. Wheel loader. Wheeled machine for fast loading/unloading. Skid steer loader. Small, maneuverable loader for tight areas. Trencher, chain type. Chain type digger for utility trenches. Trencher, wheel type. Wheel trench cutter for harder soil. Bulldozing, grading and roadwork. Crawler bulldozer. Tracked dozer for rough terrain. Wheel bulldozer. Faster wheeled dozer for softer ground. Mini dozer. Compact bulldozer for smaller jobs. Motor grader. Levels and smooths soil or asphalt for roads. Wheel tractor scraper. Cuts and moves soil across distances. Road roller, single drum. Soil compaction with a front drum. Road roller, double drum. Asphalt compaction with dual drums. Pneumatic tired roller. Rubber tired compactor for road finishing. Sheep foot roller. Compactor with protrusions for clay or soil. Vibratory roller. Roller with vibration for stronger compaction. Asphalt paver. Lays asphalt evenly on roads. Cold planer, milling machine. Removes old asphalt layers. Material transport and handling. Rigid dump truck. Standard dump truck for short hauls. Articulated dump truck. Flexible jointed truck for rough terrain. Tipper truck. Truck with hydraulic bed for unloading. Crawler dump truck, track dumper. Track-based hauler for mud/soft ground. Mini dumper. Small dumper for confined areas. Side loader truck. Loads and unloads containers from the side. Belt conveyor truck. Moves bulk material via conveyor. Concrete mixer truck. Mixes and transports concrete. Volumetric concrete mixer. Mixes exact concrete ratios on site. Concrete pump truck. Pumps concrete to high/remote places. Bulk cement truck, silo truck. Transports dry cement powder. Water tanker truck. Sprays water for dust suppression and compaction. Fuel truck. On-site refueling vehicle. Service truck. Carries tools, parts, and repair gear. Lifting and hoisting. Tower crane. Tall, fixed crane for high-rise construction. Mobile truck crane. Crane mounted on trucks for mobility. Rough terrain crane. Off-road crane for construction sites. Crawler crane. Tracked crane for very heavy lifting. All-terrain crane. Hybrid crane for road and off-road use. Overhead gantry crane. Fixed crane in yards/workshops. Telescopic crane. Boom crane with extendable sections. Loader crane, knuckle boom. Truck-mounted folding crane. Floating crane, barge crane. Crane for ports and bridge works. Pick and carry crane. Small crane to lift and move short distances. Demolition and specialized equipment. Hydraulic breaker, rock breaker. Excavator-mounted hammer for rocks and concrete. Hydraulic crusher. Excavator tool for breaking down structures. Pile driver, crawler mounted. Drives piles into ground for foundations. Pile boring rig. Drills holes for foundation piles. Tunnel boring machine, TBM. Digs underground tunnels. Road header. Mechanical tunneling machine with rotating cutter head. Trenchless boring machine, horizontal drill. Lays pipes underground without digging trenches. Auger drill rig. Drills earth for utilities and foundations. Scraper, motor scraper. Cuts and moves earth long distances. Compactors. Plate compactor. Rammers. Hand-operated soil compactors. Concrete finisher, power screed. Levels and smooths poured concrete. Shotcrete machine. Sprays concrete mix onto surfaces. Aerial and worker platforms. Cherry picker, boom lift. Lifts workers to elevated sites. Articulating boom lift. Boom with joints for angled access. Telescopic boom lift. Straight boom for high vertical access. Scissor lift. Vertical platform lift for workers. Truck-mounted aerial lift. Boom lift mounted on trucks. Site support vehicles. Light tower truck. Provides portable worksite lighting. Generator truck. Supplies portable electricity. Vacuum excavator, suction excavator. Removes soil with air/suction near utilities. Street sweeper truck. Cleans roads after construction. Snow plow truck. Clears snow on construction roads. Snow blower truck. Throw snow off-site in cold regions. Fire truck, construction use. Safety for large construction projects. These powerful machines keep our cities growing and our roads connected. Which construction vehicle do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Aster Buds for more amazing content.